Hello everyone and welcome back to another Zano list video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can swap Zano to fUSD or vice versa. So as you can see the browser in your Zano wallet app. I'm going to hit that and it's the bottom right there. And then I can select from the menu swap Freedom Dollar right here. And that's by default now inside the Zano app. Then I need to simply click Connect Wallet. I need to click Done. That's going to connect my wallet. And it's going to show you what I can buy. So as you can see, I could buy fUSD. I can buy 31 fUSD here, or I could sell, right? But currently I don't have any fUSD to sell. So I'm going to go ahead and do 30 fUSD, and this is the amount I'm going to receive. So it's also important to note that if you do have more, as you can see here, the available stock is 7,757. So this represents a single purchase batch. So the moment I buy that, for example, then there'll be a short delay and then I can immediately drop again that amount. Then what I need to do is simply click Get fUSD, and that's going to complete the swap once I confirm it in Zano Companion. Okay, now that the swap is complete, if I go back to my wallet, go to History, as you can see, I am now receiving 30 fUSD for the amount I've swapped. I can see that directly into my wallet here. As you see, 30 fUSD is my unconfirmed balance. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you found this helpful.